Today fraction part 4. This is also useful for 5th and 6th grade. Okay. Today I will teach fraction in lowest form. Okay. Fraction in lowest terms or shortest terms, shortest form, lowest form or shortest form, simplest. What is this? Fraction in lowest form or simplest form. Lowest form is also same, simplest form is also same. Before going to the topic, first I want to tell HCF. Okay, what is the HCF? HCF means highest common factor. What is this? HCF means highest common factor. Suppose, what is the highest common factor? Suppose they are giving 24 by 60, one fraction they are giving. Okay, sorry, 24 divided by 60. First you have to find this is numerator, this is denominator. Before, this is numerator, this is denominator. First you find the factors of 24. How to find 24? 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 1 ja. Okay, what is the 60? 2 3 ja, 6 0. 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 1 is balance here, 10. 2 5 ja, 10. 2, so it will go in third table. 3 5 ja, 15. 5 1 ja, 5. So 24, what are the factors? 24, 2 2 2 3 1. Okay, 60. 2 into 2 into, put into marks here, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 1. See, which is the common factor? Common factors are here. Here 2 is common, 2. Here 2 also common, 2. 3 is common here, 3 is common. 1 is common, 1 is common. So here the product of common factors of 24 and 60 equaled 2 into 2 into 3. 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12. See, this product of common factor is called HCF. This is called highest common factor. What is the highest common factor of this one? 12. Now clear, right? What is this? Fraction in lowest term. Before going to the topic, I am explaining highest common factor. So this is one of the method to find highest common factor. First find the factors of 24 and find the factors of new denominator. After that, which are the common factors you can find. Here 2 is a factor of 24, 2 is a factor of 60. So I want to circle here, so that's why I circled here. So next is this one, 2 2, 3 3 is the common, 1 1 is the common. So the product of common factors 24 and 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 also. Okay, see, 12 into 1, 12. So this is called HCF. Okay, now clear, right? How to find the HCF? Okay, now we are going to I will teach the today topic. Okay, so fraction in lowest term. A fraction is said to be in lowest term in simplest form if the HCF of the numerator and the denominator is 1. When we call fraction in lowest form, the numerator and the HCF of the numerator and denominator is 1. So fraction, I am writing definition also here. Fraction is said to be in lowest form, either lowest term or lowest form, lowest term or in simplest form, if the HCF of the HCF means highest common factor, numerator and the denominator, what is this? Numerator and the denominator is 1. What is this? It means numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. What is the meaning of this? Numerator and denominator have no common factors except 1. Both have only one factor, that is 1 only. Okay. Now clear, right? Numerator and denominator have no common factors except 1. Please underline this sentence. Okay. See, numerator and denominator have no common factors except 1. Okay. Fraction is in lowest terms means when we called this one, numerator and denominator have no common factors except 1. That is means HCF of the numerator and denominator is equal to 1. See, HCF of numerator, denominator equal to 1. This is main. Now clear, right? Okay. So, I am giving few more examples. So, first one. So, they are asking this type of question. First question is, show that the fraction show that the fraction 25 by, suppose they are giving some example, 36 in the lowest term. What they mentioned? Show that the fraction 25 by 36 in the lowest term or lowest form. Okay. See, they are asking this type of question. This is also very, very, very important. Definitely they will ask. Okay. So, what is the given fraction? Given fraction is 25 by 36. If it is, this fraction is said to be in lowest term, first we have to find HCF of 25 and 36 equal to 1. If we show this one, the fraction is in the lowest form only. Okay, the fraction is in its lowest form. If we show this one, the fraction is in its lowest form. So first HCF of 25 by 36 equal to 1. Okay, HCF of 25 and 36 equal to 1. First we have to find the common factors of 25 and 36. Factors of 25 is, we know that 25, 5 into 5 is 1. In fifth table, 5 into 5. 5, 5, 1. Okay. Then, factors of 36 is 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja. Okay. 2 9 ja, 3 3 ja. See, 2 1 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36, right? 2 9 ja 8, 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 3 1 ja. Okay. See, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. So if you put commas also, first you can find the common factors. What are the factors here? First you find the common factors of 25 and 36. Common factors 25 and 36 is, see what we have. So only one we have. See, now clear, right? What are the common factors? One, only one. See, that means HCF of only one we have. So this is the highest common factor. So HCF means highest common factor. Here there is no common factors, only one. Okay, so highest common factor is 1. So now clear, right? HCF of this means HCF of 25 comma 36 equal to 1. So it's clear, right? HCF of 25 equal to 36 1. If we show this one, the given fraction is in its lowest form. So hence 25 by 36 is in its lowest term. Now clear, right? What they mentioned, show that the fraction 25 by 36 is in the lowest form. How to find the given fraction? If you show HCF of numerator and denominator equal to 1, the fraction is in its lowest term. See, observe. First I have to find factors of 25, then factors of 36. Then what I did here, common factors I wrote here. What are the common factors here? Only one is there. Clearly this is the highest common factor. So HCF of 25 comma 36 equal to 1. So hence 25 by 36 is in its lowest term. Now clear, right? Then we will go to, I will give another example. Okay. Now, second example. Show that 21 by 35. I am taking this fraction. Is not 21 by 35 is not in the lowest term. Lowest term or simplest form. Okay. Show that 21 by 35 is not in the lowest form. So how to show lowest form? Means HCF of 21 by 35 equal to 1. Okay. If not low is not they mention, show that you have this is not in the lowest form. So what we do here, to find we have to find HCF of 21 comma 35 is not equal to 1. Okay, that means this numerator and denominator have more common factors. Okay, first one. So first we find the common factors of 21. Okay, 21 we know 3 7 ja 21, 7 1 ja. So 3 into 7 into 1. Okay, so factors of means like that you can write if you want. Okay, see, otherwise you can write like this also. Okay, factors of 35 equal to 5 7 ja 35, 7 1 ja. So it will not go in third table and second table also, directly it will go 5 table. 5 7 ja 35, 7 1 ja 7. So 5 into 7 into 1. See, observe here, common factors are, what are these? See, common factors, what are those? 1, what are the common factors here? 1, here 1, 7, 7. We have 2 common factors here. So, common factors of 21, 35 is 1 into 7. So 7. The product of common factors. Okay. Product of common factors of 21, 35 is 1 into 7. So, see, observe. So, 7 is a HCF. So, this is the highest common factor. 7 is the highest common factor. So, clearly, HCF and 21, 35 not equal to 1. HCF of 21, 35, 7 not equal 1. So, not equal 1. 7 highest common factor is. So, it is not equal 1. So, hence, 21 by 35 is not in the lowest form. Lowest term. Now clear, right? What we do? First, find the common factors of numerator. Find the factors of numerator. After that, find the factors of denominator. After that, you can take the common factors 7, 1. Do product of common factors of these two. We will get 7. So, HCF of 21, 35 not equal 1. Show that. So, it is not in the lowest term. Now clear, right? Again, if you want, I will explain again. Factors of, first we have to find factors of 21, 3 into 7 into 1. Then factors of 35, 5 into 7 into 1. First you can find the common factors 1. Here 1 is there. Here 7 is there. Here 7 is there. So 1, 7 is the common factors. Do product of common factors of, we will get 7. This is the highest common factor of given fraction. So clearly HCF of given fraction is not equal to 1. So hence 21 by 35 is not in the lowest term. Now clear, right? Then so methods to reduce, different method. Okay, methods to reduce a fraction. Methods to reduce a fraction to its simplest form. See, this is same only, simplest form. How to reduce the fraction to its simplest form? Now, just now we learned they gave one fraction. It is simplest form or not? We find that one. Now we have to find that one. Now what they are asking, how to reduce a fraction to its simplest form? How to reduce? How to find? The method 1. First method. The 2 methods are there. In this first method, which method it is easy to you? It will easy to you. You can follow. You will follow that one. Okay. Which method it is easy for you? You can follow that method. Okay. I will teach both methods. First one is method 1. Okay. Method 1, how to do? A given fraction is expressed in lowest terms. So, if a fraction to its simplest form, if you find a fraction to its simplest form by dividing the numerator and denominator by their HCF. What is this? A given fraction. I am writing method 1, clear explanation also. A given fraction is expressed expressed in lowest terms by dividing the numerator and the numerator and the denominator by their HCF. See, why I am explaining means here HCF again it will come. So a given fraction is expressed in lowest terms by dividing the numerator and the denominator by their HCF. What is this? First, for example, I am taking 27 by 72. What is this? 27 by 72. See, what is the numerator here? 27. What is the denominator is 72. First, you find the HCF of given fraction. After that, dividing the numerator and denominator by their HCF. First, you find the HCF of this fraction. Okay. So, 27. What is this? 27. 27. How to do? 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are. See here, observe what they mentioned. Methods to how to reduce a fraction to its simplest form. How to reduce a fraction? If you want to reduce a fraction, what you do here? Dividing the numerator. First, you find the HCF of given fraction. After that, dividing the numerator and denominator by their HCF. Okay? What you do here? First, you find the HCF of given fraction. After that, dividing the numerator and denominator by the HCF. Okay? So, 27 की seat. Factors of 27 equal 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. Okay. Factors of 72. See, 72 factors, what is that? Okay. 2 3s are 6, 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2 8s are 3 6, 2 9s also. You can write 2 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. See, factors of 72, what you will get? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. See, how to find? HCF equaled the product of common factors equaled the product of common factors equaled. What are the common factors here? First, 3 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here, but 3 no, 1 is here, 1 is here, so 2 is not there. So what is the common factor of this one? 3 into 1 equal to 3 3 is 9, 9 into 1 is 9. So what is the common factor of this one? 9. What they mentioned here, see here. First you find the HCF. After that, dividing the numerator and the denominator by the HCF. What we first you find the HCF. After that, dividing the numerator and the denominator by their HCF. Okay. 27 by 72 equal 27 divided by HCF is 9. 72 divided by 9. See, 9 3s are 27, 9 8s are 72. What is the lowest fraction here? 21 by 35. Sorry, 27 by 72. You will hence in its lowest term is 3 by 8. Now clear, right? This is the lowest fraction. It is the lowest term of the given fraction. So conclusion you can write here. Hence 27 by 72 in its lowest term equal 3 by 8. Nothing here. What is the method first? First, what is the given fraction numerator denominator? You can find the HCF of this fraction. After that, you will get some result. That is the HCF of given fraction, right? You will get HCF. Then, by dividing the numerator and the denominator by the HCF. That's all only. So, first I am finding the HCF of given fraction. This is 9. I will get. After that, dividing the 27 by 9, dividing the 72 by 9, I will get lowest term here. This is the method 1. Okay. Next method. Second method is same. Reduce the given fraction to lowest term. Reduce the given fraction into lowest term. See, reduce the given fraction into lowest term. Okay. So how to second method. How to reduce? Second method is the given fraction may also be expressed in lowest terms by. So how to reduce the given fraction? By cancelling or removing the common factors in steps. What is the meaning of this? First, they are giving, suppose 27 by 72. Same problem I am taking. So first what we do here, first we have divided the first common factor. What are the common factors here? See, 3. 27 means 27 equal to 3. Okay. Here 72. What we will get? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. See, this is the common factor. This is the factors only. What are the common factor here? First 3 and second 3. So first you do. First we have to divide the first common factor. First numerator by. We have divided first by the first common factor. So first common factor is 3 here. So this one also divided by first common factor. This one also divided by first common factor. Okay. First I am doing here 27 by 72 equal 27 divided by 3. 27 divided by 72. 72 divided by 3. See, 3 what we will get? 3 9s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 12. 3 4s are. So 9 by 24 we will get. Then again what you do? Second step is again. Is there any again another common factor? See, another common factor is again 3 and 3. So again you have to divide the numerator by common factor. So what we will get here? 9 by 24. 9 by 24 divided by 3 and divided by 3. This is step 2. Step 2. This is step 1. So 3 8. Is there any common factor is there? No. So process is over. What I am doing instead of this one, so this is the lowest term. Instead of this one, we will do directly 27 by 72. See, which is the common factor in these two terms? Numerator as common factor is 3. So 3 9s are 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. Again, is there any common factor in these two terms? Numerator and denominator 9 24. It will go 3 table. It will go also 3 table. So 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. Directly you can do like this also. Why I am explaining here? Because it is easy to understand that first you can find the common factors of these two. Okay, take one common factor. First you divide this one in step 1. After that you will get some fraction. This is the 9 by 24. Then again take another common factor. Again you have to divide. What you will get last result? So 9 by 24 divided by 3 divided by 3, you will get 3 by 8. Instead of this, all the process you can do directly. So 27 by 72. Which table it will go? In 3 table. So 3 9s are, but 3 9s are 3 24s. Again it will go both numerator and denominator, it will go by 3 only. So 3 3s are 3 8s. So this is the second method. You can follow any of one. Which one is easy for you? You can follow that one. Okay, one more example I am explaining. 24 by 60. See, observe. In 24 by 60. Which table it will go? Both. It will go by 2 table also. See, both has common factors 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja, 0. Again, when it will go in 2 table only, 2 6 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. See, observe here 6, here 15. So again it will go by 3. 3 2 ja, 3 5 ja, 2 by 5. Okay, if you are any confusing, you can do like this also. 60. First find 24 common factors are. See, 2 12, 2 6, 2 3. See. Okay, 60 is common factors. 2 13, 2 1 5 50, 3 5 ja. See here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Here 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. In step 1, first common factor is 2. See, take divided by 2. This is step 1. I am writing clearly everything. 12 by 2 30. 2 3 is 6 0. See again in step 2. Again what are the common factors here? Again 2. Again 2. This is step 2. You will get some result, right? You can again divide by second common factor. See what you will get? 2 6 ja, 2 15 ja. Now in step 3, what is there any common factor in this? This is the third common factor. So divided by 3. Step 3. 3 2 ja, 3 5 ja. Is there anything else? No common factors are here, right? So this is the lowest term. Okay, I am explaining 2 methods. Okay, which one is easy for you? You can follow that method. Okay, this is the how to reduce the given fraction. These are all